Okay, we have a 2004 Volkswagen Passat that has a miss. I don't know if you guys can hear this. It is missing, but it sounds like an air leak to me. Customer replaced 4 coils and 4 plugs and not fixed the issue. Anytime we get a car that got some miles on, like 150,000 miles, we're gonna start with a compression check and then we're gonna do a smoke test. You know what we're gonna do first? We're gonna check fuel pressure with the scanner and we're gonna do a smoke test first. I think this engine is okay. Let's start with a smoke test. Okay, smoke machine for the win again. Can you see that right there? It's a big vacuum leak, just as I thought. And just to cover ourselves, we're still gonna do a compression check. Nice leak. Okay, 150 for cylinder 1. About 150 for cylinder 2. Okay, we're looking good so far. About 150 for cylinder 3. Okay, cylinder 4, looking about the same.